Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if your computer seems to be waking up from computer sleep without any user interaction. So if you're not tapping on your mouse and you notice that your computer is coming out of sleep, this tutorial will be for you. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into it with the two most likely causes in my opinion from what I've seen. So we're going to start by opening up the start menu, type in device manager. Best match should come back with device manager right above control panel. Go ahead and select that. Select your network adapters section, so double click on that, and then select whatever your network connection is. So you might have a lot of mini ports in here. Just go ahead and select what looks like the most logical network adapter in here, and you can go through the other ones as well and just apply the same methodology. So we're going to go ahead and right click on what I believe to be my network adapter. It's pretty clear the gigabit network connection, or it should be something to that variation on your computers as well. Right click on that and then select the properties. Select the power management tab, and then you want to uncheck the box where it says allow this device to wake the computer. Select OK. Now you can close out of here. Hopefully that would have been able to resolve the problem. Another thing you can try would be to open up the start menu, type in control panel. Best match should come back with control panel. Go ahead and left click on that. See your view by up here to large icons, and then select power options. Now you want to select the change plan settings for whichever one corresponds to the plan you currently have selected, and then select change advanced power settings. You want to go underneath sleep and you want to expand that. So underneath sleep there's something that says allow wake timers. We're going to expand that. The current setting is enabled. We want to go ahead and disable that. So there might be a battery option here as well. If you're using a laptop, you want to select inside of both of them. So I'm only on a desktop here, so I only have one setting, but if you're using a laptop, there will be something that says on battery as well as something that says plugged in. You want to select whatever is currently selected in here and then click inside the drop down, select disable, and then select apply and OK. Once you know what that, close out of here, restart your computer, and that should honestly be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.